Trust me when I say YouTube Shorts is about to be the next big thing. As YouTube Shorts is gaining a lot of momentum these days, YouTube channels are just getting monetized even only on the basis of YouTube Shorts. People have been earning about $300 more or less per a single YouTube Shorts. If you want to be the next, then join me on how you can earn money just from YouTube Shorts with really amazing AI tools. Here comes Veed.io. Whether you are editing a few clips for YouTube or looking for a more advanced video editor to create professional videos, Veed offers advanced tools that are super easy to use. So inside Veed.io, if you want to upload your own video, then that's cool. But if you don't want to upload videos of your own, then you can find a pile of stock videos that you can use for your shorts. Inside the media section, just scroll down on this section right here, and here are some of the stock videos that you can find. For example, let me click on animal section right here. Unfortunately, most of the videos are available only under the premium feature, but there are a lot of videos that you can extract as well. For example, let me extract this. Now don't worry if your video is filmed horizontally, because we can change the size of it by going to the size option inside settings right here, and from the drop down menu select YouTube Short. You can play around with the position of your video by pulling the corners and the size of the video, and after you're satisfied with the position of your videos, hop over to the text option right here in order to add animated texts inside your video. So you can see right here that there are a lot of options that you can try out in case of animated texts, and you can add them to your video by just selecting them and add the text that you prefer inside the text box right here. In order to arrange the text alignment and position, then just hold and drag the box and fix your text in one of the position inside your video. But just be mindful about the position of the text inside your YouTube Shorts, because you want to make sure that the shorts is visible. You can also change the text fonts, size and color by playing around with these options right here. In order to edit or delete the text, just go to the section right here and edit the previous written text. And if you don't want to add your voice, then you can let the AI do the talking for you. Just go to the audio section right here and click on text to speech. And from this option right here, you can add a voice that reads out the text that you want to add to your YouTube Shorts. You can choose many other voices as well. Just click on the drop down menu here and you can see that there are many voices available that you can use to add your voice inside your shorts using AI. If you don't know what to include in the text, then don't worry. AI has that covered for you as well. Log into your ChatGPT and pass the prompt about the script that you would like. And here you go. ChatGPT creates a script for you. From this icon right here, copy the script so created by ChatGPT and paste it inside the text option right here inside Veed. What you need to remember is that there might be a character limit for the words that you enter inside the text section right here. But you can solve that as well by giving the text in fragments. And then in order to add the text right here with the voiceover of AI to your project, what you need to do is click on add to project right here. And you can see right here that the audio has been added to your timeline section right here. Just drag it and fit it in the position that you like to inside your timeline. You can also add subtitles for your video by clicking on the subtitle option right here, and by clicking on auto subtitle, you can also choose the language and click on create subtitles. And you can see that the subtitles have been fit inside the timeline. So this is how you can generate subtitles for your video to include a very wide range of viewers. In the style tab inside subtitles right here, you can customize your font, layout and size of subtitles as well. You can animate your subtitles by choosing the animation and by choosing the effect that you like to apply for your subtitles. You can also add elements to your video by going to the element section right here and selecting one of the elements as per your preference. For example, let me say that I want to select this emoji right here, resize the element and settle it in one of the locations that you'd like to inside your video. You can shorten the duration of the element by pushing it in the timeline. The next one, you can also import an image to overlay on top of a video if you like to. You can drag the so imported image around the timeline where you want to start overlaying it from, and then you can resize it and manage your timeline for the duration of the photo, and there you have it. The final thing is copyright free music. Veed has tons of copyright free music filtered by genre, which makes it easier to find a music. In order to search for a music, go to the search button right here and search for the music that you want, and you see a list of musics right here. Just click on one of the music and click on the plus button in order to add it to your video. Now after it's been added to your video, arrange the music on the basis of your video's length by dragging it in the timeline. You can also decrease the volume of the music so that your narration or your voice will be heard inside the video. Now in order to export the video, click on export at the top right corner of the screen. Click on done right here and click on export video. Click on quality right here and make sure that you have the burn subtitles option toggled on. You can choose the video quality as well, so you can work on the software and create a really amazing YouTube Shorts. If you like the software, then you can also buy the premium version of the software, which will let you to optimize its ability to the fullest. So that's it for today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.